Maybe they're born with it. Maybe it's the result of hard work. The truth is, success has a way of making people believe it came easy. They see the confidence, the wins, the freedom, the lifestyle, and they assume it was natural, like it just showed up one day. But what they don't see are the early mornings, the late nights, the sacrifices, the failures, the lessons, and the relentless discipline it took to build it. Because the truth is, greatness isn't given, it's earned. Nobody is born with success. Nobody is handed financial freedom. It's built, brick by brick, decision by decision, day by day. And if you've ever felt like there's more for your life, more income, more purpose, more freedom, you're probably right. The problem is, most people stay stuck because they keep waiting for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment never comes. You either make the decision to change your life, or life keeps making decisions for you. That's why at TruPowur, we've created an opportunity for people who are willing to work, willing to learn, and willing to build something bigger than a paycheck. This isn't about chasing quick money. This is about building real residual income that compounds over time, income tied to a necessity every home and business already uses every single day: energy. Imagine helping families and businesses reduce their utility costs while creating a long-term income stream for yourself and your family. Imagine waking up every month knowing your efforts from yesterday are still paying you today. That's what happens when hard work meets the right vehicle. And the best part? We've already built the platform, the systems, the training, the suppliers, and the support. All you have to do is bring the work ethic. Because at the end of the day, talent might open the door, but hard work keeps it open. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowurCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.